Space is a three-dimensional volume that refers to distances or areas within an artwork. It can be defined by its width, height, and depth. It can demonstrate visual depth with a foreground, middle ground, and background. Or it can show positive and negative areas. Art, such as sculptures or architecture, take up actual or real space, while two-dimensional art uses the illusion of space. Size is one way artists can demonstrate space. Larger objects show that they're closer to the viewer, and smaller objects show that they're farther back in space. Overlapping objects can also indicate space. Linear perspective is another tool artists can use to illustrate space. Receding lines going back to a vanishing point give the illusion of depth and distance in space. Atmospheric perspective means that objects get lighter and hazier as they go back in space. Positive space and negative space are also used by photographers. Positive space refers to the objects in the frame, and negative space is the space between and around the objects. Filling the space with an object can give it a sense of importance, while having negative space in an image can give the viewer's eyes a place to rest. You can divide the image 50-50 or experiment with the percentages of positive versus negative space. The rule of thirds can be used to help determine just how to adjust the space in an image. It says that you should place your subject or focal point in one of the 4 areas where the lines cross on a 3x3 grid. What makes up positive versus negative space can be debatable. Do you think the sky is positive or negative in this image? So whether you're thinking about space in terms of distance with objects in the foreground, middle ground, and background, or in terms of positive versus negative space, use it as a fun way to compose your images.